So here it is, the Fultz house blacksmith shop. It's a good sized building. It's got a big old hearse sitting in it. And here's just a little look around. Big forge. Doesn't look like it's set up very well. Apparently it's never been really functioned properly, and I know why. Look at the anvil and tools. They look like they've been sitting there for 5 years. Never been moved. Look at that. There's a coating of corrosion on there. It's probably 600 or 700 pounds of coal in the box here. We got a 5-inch leg vise. They've got things labeled. I don't know what the numbers mean, but that one's in good shape actually. It's up a little too high though. We've got a variety of tools. A bunch of soldering irons. I don't know if you can see too well. It's kind of dark. I have to get some light in here. Oh, we got some hardy tools. I have no idea what that is. If anybody knows, it's been cut. It's for making a little dovetail or something. Some small hammers. Tinsmith's hammer. Here's a hot cut. Some more fullering tool. Sorry, fullering tool. Some kind of old hammer, part of a hammer. Big tin tongs. That's like a fireplace tool there. That's not a blacksmith tool. Look at them. I have no idea what you'd use that for. Big spatula. Some sort of a rasp. That looks like a hollowing rasp. Again, that's a fireplace tool. Quite often people think these old forged fireplace tongs are blacksmith tools, but they're meant for fireplaces. This is a proper set of short tongs. Some old needle nose. More tongs. Another hardy tool. And a few more basic tongs. Nothing out of the ordinary there. There's a pile of old tongs here. Pretty much straightforward stuff. Some of them look a little rough. No idea what that is. Oh, that looked like it was like a soft blow. Probably had a lead head on it. It's gone. Oh, these tools are in here. Oh. I gotta ask about these numbers, whether that's things need to be kept track of if they're going to be used here. And the forge itself is pretty nicely made. However, they've got the tweers here way far away from the chimney. I'm not sure if the smoke would go up. It doesn't look like it was this doesn't look like it was built quite right. It's kind of got the look that you want, but it's not structured properly. But it looks like I could make a few changes and probably get it to work okay. I haven't fired it up yet, but I can just look at it and tell it's not going to draft very good. It's all going to go up here, and I'm going to be breathing it. So, like they said, they never really had it up and running. So, I start picking away at it. So, here's the general look of it now. right? It's kind of a mess. Big old bellows there, look at that. I wouldn't hesitate to. I'm not gonna touch those, they look pretty old. Be nice to recreate them though. Anyway, I'll get back to you when I clean up this shop.